Hello students. Today we will do some questions. We have done the properties of the determinant. First you should know all the properties of the determinant, and that properties you will use in questions. Okay. Look here, this question is a very simple questions and very interesting question also. So you will try to understand also. First you watch all this video, and then you try to do yourself and check from the video again that you have corrected or not. So look here, this question is first row is 1a square, second row is 1b square, third row is 1c and c square. Okay, and here you have to prove this is equal to a minus b minus c, and c minus a. So look here how we can prove here. This question is given to you, and here first of all we will take this operation. R2 will be equal to R2 minus R1, and R3 will be equal to R3 minus R1. By this what will happen? Look here, this R2 will change. R2 will be equal to R2 minus R1, means 1 minus 1 0, b minus a, and b square minus a square, and last this R3 will be also changed, that 1 minus 1 will be 0, and c minus a, then c square minus a square. Look at this change, b square minus a square is b minus a and b plus a. Similarly c square minus a square will be c minus a, c plus a. So look here, from this second row you have a common. What is common here? B minus a is common, and third row what is common? C minus a. So taking b minus a and c minus a from common from R2 and R3. After taking the common, what is b minus a and c minus a is outside, and here first row is as it is we get. From the second row you take common b minus a, so you get 0 1, and from b square minus a square you get remaining b plus a, and from the third row you have 0, c minus a is outside, so 1, and c square minus a square is c plus a. You will open with the c1. Here c1 means here only 1 is other elements are 0, so you can open by this, means by 1 you open. What is the remaining elements? These are remaining elements, so you will write b minus a as it is, c minus a, and you write 1, b plus a, 1, and c plus a. Now you cross multiply. When you cross multiply, look here what you get, c plus a minus bracket b plus a. Now you open this bracket, you get a and a will cancel. Now what is the remaining portion? You can check, get b minus a, c minus a, and c minus b. So you can take common minus from first, so you get a minus b, and c minus b also you take common minus, so b minus c and c minus a as it is, means minus minus will plus, and you get this answer. So hope you understand this solution. This is very. Look at this question. In this question you have, so that first row is 1 1 1, second row is abc, and third row is a cube, b cube, and c cube, that is equal to a minus b, b minus c, c minus a, and a plus b plus c. This we have to prove. How we can prove? Look here, this 1 and this 1 you have to make 0. So for that you will do the operation. C2 will be equal to C2 minus C1, C3 will be equal to C3 minus C1. So look here, what you get, this C1 is no change, so you will have the C1 is as it is, first column is as it is, second column you will get when you subtract from first column, so 1 minus 1 0, then you get b minus a, then third you get b cube minus a cube. Now similarly third column will be 1 minus 1 0, then c minus a, and c cube minus a cube you will get. So a cube, you have to apply the formula. Look here all of you, here b cube minus a cube and c cube minus a cube, you have to apply the formula. We know this formula, that x cube minus y cube equal to x minus y bracket x square plus xy plus y square. So b cube minus a cube will be b minus a, b square plus ab plus a square, and c cube minus a cube will be c minus a, c square plus ac plus a square. Now you can check what is the common. Here you can check the common is this is the from here, and from these you have to take common. So what is the common? B minus a is a common and from the C2, and C minus a is a common from C3. So look here, you will take common b minus a, c minus a from c2 and c3. So what is the remaining? Here the first column is as it is you get. Second column is 0, 1 and b square plus ab plus a square you get. And third column is just 0, 1 and c square plus ac plus a square, and b minus a and c minus a you will write outside. You can check the first row. In first row you can see you will get 1 0 0. We can open by this 1, means you will get this b minus a, c minus a is outside, and remaining we have these elements 1 1, and second row is b square plus ab plus a square, c square plus ac and a square. So you will write as it is this. Now after this this b minus a and c minus a is outside, and 2 and 2 determinant you can open by the cross product. So you will do the cross product and you will open this. You keep in mind the 1 into c square plus ac plus a square will be here, and then the second will be in negative, so you change the sign, and whatever cancel you will do the cancellations here. So you can see here the cancellation is this a square and a square you can cancel. So remaining you write as it is. Okay, c square minus b square and plus ac and minus ab. So you can check from these that c square minus a square write near, and ac minus ab write near. So c square minus b square you can write c minus b and c plus b, and ac minus ab you can take common a you take common. So now from again you can check what is the common here. Here this common part is this c minus b and c minus b is common. So c minus b you take common. So remaining is c plus a, c plus b plus a will be remaining. Now you will arrange in a standard format. So b minus a you can write a minus b and you take minus common. C minus a as it is right, c minus b take minus common. So previous minus and this minus will become plus, and this you write in a proper order. I think you will understand this, and if you not understand you will see, watch again this video and try to do. Here you can check here first row, second row and third row. In this third row if you add these all you will get here 5x plus 4, means you have to add here c1 will be equal to c1 plus c2 plus c3. So when you will add this column wise you will add, means x plus 4, 2x and 2x will be 5x plus 4. Similarly you will add first column, second column and third column, 2x x and 2x will be 5x plus 4. Similarly the third row this you will add, it means 5x plus 4, means c1 that you have what you have to change here. You have to change here this c1 we are changing, and then c1 totally we change, that we get same element 5x plus 4, and that 5x plus 4 you will take common from this c1, then you will get the next step. You can check 5x plus 4 if you take common from c1 what is given. This 5x plus 4 is outside, and inside the first column will be totally 1 we get, and second column and third column there is no change. Now in the first column you can see these two elements you have to make 0 0. How we can make 0? Look here, r2 we can write r2 minus r1, and r3 we can write r3 minus r1. These two you will apply the operation, you will get this determinant is 5x plus 4 is as it is outside. Now this from the first row is as it is, so you can write first row as it is. Second row you have to change, so second row minus first row you have to do. So 1 minus 1 0 we get, x plus 4 minus 2x you will get 4 minus x, then you will write here 2x minus 2x is 0, then you will write here 1 minus 1 is 0, then 2x minus 2x is 0, then x plus 4 minus 2x is 4 minus x you get. Hope you understand these all, and now you will check here the second row and the third row. You can check what is the common here. Here common is 4 minus x, because 0 is multiple of every number, you can write any number here. So 4 minus x you will take common from r2 and r3. When you take common from r2 and r3, this you take 4 minus x is common, then 4 minus x we have 2 times common. Now what is the first row? First row is no change, as it is we can write. Now second row and third row will change, so we get this type determinant we get. Now you can open by the C1. By C1 you will open, means what will be the change you can see here. When you open by C1 you can check. C1 means you will not write these okay, so remaining elements you have to write. You can check when you will open by these, means you will open by these, means what you can check. This is you will not write, means remaining elements you will write here. Now 4 minus x, 4 minus x, 4 minus x square. Now you cross multiply, you will get 1 minus 0. Now what is the answer is 5 x plus 4, 4 minus x square. That only we have to prove. This also you understand, this is a very good question we have. In this question you can check this question. First row is a minus b minus c, 2a and 2a. Second row is 2b, b minus c minus a and 2b, and third row is 2c and c minus a minus b, and you have to prove here this is equal to a plus b plus c power 3. How we can prove? Look here, means you want this a plus b plus c power 3, means you want one factor of this is a plus b plus c you want here, means you have to take common a plus b plus c. How we can take common? You can check first. So how we can get a plus b plus c? Look here, if you will add the first row, second and third, this you will add the first elements, you get a plus b plus c. So r1 you will write r1 plus r2 plus r3. So you will add these r1 r2 r3 r1 r2 r3, and you get the first row is totally a plus b plus c, and that a plus b plus c you take common from r1, and r2 and r3 will be as it is, there is no change will be here. So after that you can, if you take common this a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c, you take common from r1, what is get? A plus b plus c is outside. So what will be the inside? Inside will be 1 1. Look here, when you take a plus b plus c common from r1, you will get this determinant, and this determinant, look here, you can see this column 1 we have to make some elements that is 0 0. How we can make? Look here, that you can write c1 will be equal to c1 minus c3. From c1 you subtract this c3, what we get? Look here, 1 minus 1 is 0, 2b minus 2b is 0, and 2c minus this will be c plus a plus b, and the second column and third column you put as it is. Look here, now you will open by the column third. How we can open? You can check here. Look here, when you will open by this, means here only one elements here, that will be here, and you will not take these column, first column and third row you will not take, so remaining elements you will take here. So remaining elements will be here. Now the remaining elements you cross multiply, you will understand this, that what you will get here. Look here, when you cross multiply these, you get 2b and minus this you have. So you open the bracket, you will get here minus b and plus c and plus a, that is the 2b minus b will be b, and b plus c plus a. So you will get totally, previous we have already a plus b plus c square, now we have a plus b plus c power 3. You will, I think you understand this solution. Now look here, one more question you can see. You have to prove this equal to 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. How we can prove these? 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. Look here, a square already given, b square also given, and c square given. If you add row wise, column wise, you will not get this factor 1 plus a square plus b square. So other the elements we have, whatever we have other elements that you also you have to change in a square, b square and c square. For that what you do, you will multiply c1, c2, c3 by abc, by c1 by a and c2 by b and c3 by c you will multiply. Look here, after changing this, c1 by a means you will get this type, c1 by a means you will get this, c1 is changed. Now c2 you multiply by b means you will get this type. Now c3 you multiply by c means you will get this type. So after these changes you will get this portion. Now you have to take, you multiply these c1, c2, c3 means you have to write outside 1 upon a, b, c also to equivalent the determinant. Otherwise the whole determinant is divided by this. So if we want that there is no change, means you have to put outside this 1 upon a, b, c, and inside you will multiply. First row you take common a, second row you take common b, and third row you common c. When you take first row common a, what is remaining? A square plus 1, b square and c square. Second row what will have? A square, b square plus 1 and c square. Third row you take common c, then what you get? A square, b square and c square, and that you write abc outside, and that abc and abc will be cancelled. Now after this, what will happen here? Take common this ABC from R1, R2, R3. You will get this type determinant, and this type determinant the outside ABC. ABC will cancel. Now you want 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square. That how you can get you. This is a very easy to understand. If you write C1 will be equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. C1 will be equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. What you get C1? C1 is totally changed. You can check this. You get 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square, and second column and third column there is no change. Now after this you take a common from this C from this C1. What you can take common? 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square you take common. If you take common, what is the change will be? Look here. Here if you take common, here you get 1 plus A square plus B square is outside, and inside the first column the elements will be 1 1 1 you get. Now you can write R2 will be R2 minus R1, R3 will be R3 minus R1. So this is as it is. Now R2 you have to change and R3 you have to change. So 1 minus 1 0, B square plus A square minus B square is 1, C square minus C square is 0, and the third row also you have to change. 1 minus 1 is 0, B square minus B square is 0, and C square plus 1 minus C square is 1. Now expand by column 1. Then 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square outside we have, and remaining elements will be here. You can write now. You will open this. You will get 1 minus 0, and you get the answer 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square.